Hi, and welcome to JustCollect.com. Thanks for joining us today. We have for you a small collection. We recently flew in and flew out of Chicago to pick this up. You can see this is 2 stacks of 33 Goudeys, some stacks of 50s and 60s stars, some assorted mantle cards. There was more to this collection, but I just wanted to show you the highlights. You can kind of see some of the 33 Goudeys. They range in condition from poor to VGX-ish, but you got a ton of Hall of Famers, Speaker and Terry, Hornsby, and then some of the commons. Clean backs. These are the major stars, 2 Babe Ruths. And we have Lou Gehrig. And then more Hall of Famers, Dickey, Lazari, Kiki Kyler, Haynes, Wayner, Eparixi, Wade Hoyt, Heine Manush, Hack Wilson. So plenty of stars and Hall of Famers there. And then we go into some of the Bowman and Topps cards. Ted Williams, Willie Mays, 56 Aaron, Ernie Banks, Rizzuto, and then we got the mantles. Just a great collection, one that we were happy to pick up. You can read more about it in the comments section. There's a link to the blog. Thanks for joining us. Remember that JustCollect.com is always buying vintage sports and non-sports cards from 1879 to 1979, as well as select modern cards. Thank you.